Everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you. Check out this smoking hot 2018 Camaro ZL1. Don't go away. Hey everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ, and I am standing in front of a 2018 Camaro, red Camaro ZL1, and this car is owned by my buddy Malath. Malath, dude, this car rocks, man. Come on, let's go to this car here. Tell us about this car. When did you buy this car?
I bought this car 2017 October.
Okay.
I bought it out of a football player back in October. The guy, his name Malath, from Steelers, Pennsylvania. This car is being shipped from Pennsylvania to here. One of the kind car. Why? Because this car, it can't find it at the dealership. This car was special order online. He did it. The 0 to 60 can go 3.6 seconds.
That's pretty fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty fast. And you said this is a one-of-a-kind car. So the football player you're talking about plays for the Pittsburgh Steelers. And he ordered it especially for him, delivered to the dealership. And then you bought it from him 2 months later. Wow.
The reason is if you guys check on Google, the reason why he sell like few cars and motorcycle, because he signed a contract and his contract was really strict. The reason is he cannot have anything can risk his life while he's in the contract for 2 years. Okay. So this is one of the type of cars he cannot drive because of the risk. So he need to let it go. Okay. So I was one of the lucky one to be having this car.
All right, this is cool. Well, this car, I tell you what, is freaking awesome. All right.
Yeah.
So anyhow, you're talking about the car. The guy had a contract, and he couldn't have anything risky in his contract because he's a professional football player. So you ended up getting this car. Now, did you have it delivered, or did you drive out to Pennsylvania and pick it up, or how did you get it here?
It's being special delivery in the box, Arizona.
Okay, very cool.
Yeah, it took almost 3 days to be shipped. Was in the box, so just in case from rocks. Especially when they shipped it here, was in the end of October. Was a lot of snow over there, so we don't want to be with the snow on the salty road.
No, I don't blame you at all. I'll tell you what, folks, if you look at this car here.
And let me tell you one more thing to add.
Go ahead.
This car is not a red. Has to be special order. It's called Red Hot.
The car's called Red Hot?
Red Hot.
Wow.
This is in the sun, you can see like really bright, like a fire red. That's why the name called a Red Hot. As you see in the camera, this car is just amazing, even with color.
This car is amazing. And I like what you've done with it. Little subtle hints here and there of the aggressive nature of it and stuff. And it is a carbon fiber hood insert here with the ZL1. Got the stripes, got some wicked wheels there, and I see the number 89. What does the number 89 mean?
The 89 is the year I born.
The year you were born. Very cool. So 89, 2000. You just turned
30.
30. When was your birthday?
April 30.
Happy belated birthday, bud.
Thank you.
That's cool, man. Yeah, right on. So you turned 30 on April 30. So did you have a special celebration? Weren't you in LA then?
I went to LA in Malibu. We were having a big car show over there, like 2 of them actually. With the Char car show, I'm with the Head Turners I was. And then our team...
Head Turners, that's the name of the car team you're with?
Yeah, the car team, yeah. Okay. And then we took their first, was a really excited moment to be in this team, and then we took the first all over LA. Was one of the excited moments.
And the name of the show is called Torqued.
Torqued, yes,
so
sir.
You said you had all sorts of vendors and all sorts of crazy females and all sorts of cool cars and all sorts of stuff there, right?
A lot of models, females, event, promotion, like everything is in your mind. It's like a close to SEMA.
Wow,
we're very close to SEMA. It's like once a year only.
And you took first place.
We took the first place.
Congratulations. Now, did you win any individual awards there?
We just won the what's called. It's like a what's called the best team. We just like I don't know how to say that.
Just the best team. That's cool.
Just the best team we got.
Right on,
yeah.
Right. Now look at this car, folks. Just yeah. What are those?
This is the freezers for like, you know, the more you speed, it should be like the freezer when you can't divide your air
I see. Okay.
The airflow is.
All right. Okay. So it makes better airflow.
Yeah.
This is a nice carbon fiber ring. Now you said the name of your car is going to be what? Or the name of the car is?
The Red Devil.
The Red Evil.
The Red
You
Evil.
can have that done right here.
Yes, sir. It's gonna be like from probably this size.
That is cool. I like your tribute to Paul Walker, man. It's very, very cool. Now, you mentioned him previously that you mentioned him. You mentioned him previously that you had a chance to meet him.
I met him back in 2012. Back in the day, I was working with as a culture advisor with the U.S. Marine Corps, 5th Marine Corps. So on my vacation, I went to LA with my friend, and then I was having the chance. I'm the lucky one to be in his event actually, and I met him. Was a really excited moment because back in the day, since I was a little kid, I'm all about cars. I'm fast and furious. Let's go fast. And then when we lost him, was our big loss actually.
Right.
So I always have him for the this is the third vehicle I've been buying, and I always transfer the code for him. Dude, I almost had you. And one of the reason I have it just as a memory of him, and also just in case if I lose one of the track racing, you know, dude, I almost had you.
Oh, there you go. That's cool. Now, you did mention off camera that you race this on occasion.
I do like few, like let's say twice a month, once a month, like when we have an event or like guys meet, let's go have fun.
Okay.
We don't do like any money or switch titles, just for fun.
Good. Okay. That's cool.
Nothing to prove.
Right. Did you ever take it down to the drag strip? Like tonight there's an event called Drift and Drag. So you gonna go there at all tonight?
Tonight I would love to go tonight, but I believe they're gonna go to the pavilions.
Okay. Yeah, there's a big Pontiac show at the pavilions tonight.
Yeah, tonight there is something going on, so I'm just gonna go join my team and be there.
Oh, good for you. That's
yeah, for a few hours.
All right. All right. Well. All right. I think you said earlier. Come here, Malath. I think you said earlier that we get to go for a ride. Is that right?
Of course.
All right. Let's go for a ride. We'll catch up with you guys in a few minutes here.
But
boom.
Let me show you something before we go. Let me make you hear it.
He wants us to hear it. Oh, twist our arms, right? Here we go. Boom! Ain't nothing sound better than that, does it? It's horsepower, baby. Well, thank you, Malath. That was awful nice of you.
Yeah, take
All
a
right.
little look from the inside too.
This car is bad to the bone. Now we're gonna go for a ride. Stay tuned. So this is Eric and Malath. Hey Malath, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, now we're gonna go for a ride. You can hang it right here if you want to, or left. Let's go left. We just make a nice circle here. Now. And just so you know, there's no cops on this road. Up here. Now that's paddle shifting, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Did you feel that sensation of speed? This car's got it. You can turn around if you want to, or hang it right out here and get on the other road, whichever you want to do. This car's freaking bad to the bone fast, man.
What is the easiest one?
What's that? Yeah, dude, you turn. There you go. Go. Nail it.
So there is the bump right here.
Yeah, just a little bump right here, yep. way too much fun. This car is way too cool. Right here. This car is way too cool. Oh my God. So it's an automatic with paddle shifting.
Mm-hmm.
This car is sick, man. I mean, you guys heard that? You should have seen a smile on his face as he was shifting. You should have seen a smile on my face as I was shifting. You what?
I love it.
Isn't it great? Hey,
Great
man.
feeling.
All right. So, Malath, as we wrap up this video here, and I really appreciate your time, is there anything else you want to tell people about this car or about yourself?
Well, I really enjoy like speeding. I love fast cars. I'm gonna give you a little surprise at the end of the video, which is like, you know what, not a surprise, let's just say it. I'm gonna do like a little burnout with one gear, probably second gear, to show you how powerful I can do the as a burnout. Yeah, let's do the burnout.
All right, let's do the burnout, he says. All right, wait, let's do the burnout, he says. I like that.
Let's do the burnout.
All right, all right. So I'm gonna get out of the car and we're gonna do a smoke burnout. Did you want to light up the smoke grenade underneath it?
Yeah.
All right, cool, we can do that. We're gonna do this like the right way. All right, folks, stay tuned for a few minutes here. Let her rip, Tater Chip. You see that, folks? That's what I'm talking about, bitches! That's what I'm talking about, folks. Eric's Garage AZ. Smoke 'em if you got 'em, bitches. Peace out. Remember, like, subscribe, share. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll tell you, man, that car was rocking it out. He probably laid down 50,000 miles of rubber during that burnout. Stay tuned for more, folks, right here, Eric's Garage AZ.